Hello, my name's Angel Espinosa, and I'm here in my computer technology class, ComTech. I've learned a lot about computers in general, hardware, firmware, specifically how to manage this different parts of computers, so like, power supply, also hard drives, RAM, GPU, CPU, the processor, and how they all work together. And I just want to show off some few uses that you can have using paper clips. Specifically, a way you can test out power supplies. If you have one at home and you think your computer might not be running, it could be the power supply. Here's a normal average in a computer power supply. Right now it's off. But if I turn it on, it should be sending out power into the wires here, right? And if it spins, then that pretty much means it's working, right? It's working properly. If it doesn't, that like this one, then that means that it does not work. So if I put the paper clip here, and then right next to it, the other side of the paper clip, yeah, as you can see, both parts of the prongs are connected, and nothing's happening, so it doesn't work. It won't do anything. But if I do the same thing with a working power supply, if you connect the green prong here to the one right next to it, if you can come look at the fan, it's whirring, as you can see. So right now the output that's coming out of the power supply is going into the fan and making it work. Due to that, you're able to tell that this power supply actually does work properly, unlike the other one I just showed.
There's some other tricks you can do with the paper clip.
There's a lot actually. This is a larger paper clip, so it's easier to manage. But with a mini paper clip, you can take out the SIM card on your phones. And the reason why you would want to do this is, let's say you get a new phone, and you want to pretty much transfer your storage, right, from your old phone to the new phone, especially with older models. You can just come here, take out the SIM card, and mine doesn't run off of a SIM card, but normally there'd be a SIM card right here, and you can just put it into your new phone, and it would be pretty much the storage of your old phone into your new phone.
So who teaches your class?
It's Miss Gandu. She teaches computer maintenance as well, but I'm specifically in computer tech, which is usually more over here on this side of the room.
And how'd you learn this paperclip trick of yours?
Funny thing, so this defective power supply was in one of our computers. You can see it like right over there. I was working on it and it just wouldn't power on. So I thought like, okay, maybe it's the power supply. And so Ms. Gandu told me about the trick, and I thought it was really cool. And it worked, and I immediately replaced it with a new one, and it actually powered on.